In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the cannot complete action issue on your iPhone. This is a common problem that many users face, and fortunately is typically easy to resolve with just a few simple steps. So if you're experiencing this issue, stick around and follow along as we walk through the process to getting your iPhone back to working smoothly. First, we're going to start by unlocking your iPhone and heading over to the Settings app. Just look for that familiar grey icon with gears and tap on it. Settings is the central hub for adjusting almost anything on your device, so it's always a good starting point for troubleshooting. Once you're in settings, the next thing you'll want to do is tap your name at the top of the screen. This will take you into your Apple ID settings, where we can check some important information related to your account. Now that you're in the Apple ID settings, keep an eye out for any prompts regarding Apple's terms and conditions. Sometimes a new update or policy change requires you to review and accept new terms before you can perform certain actions. If there's an alert, simply tap on it to read through and accept the updated terms and conditions. A lot of users find that this step alone resolves the issue. However, if accepting the terms and conditions doesn't fix the problem, the next thing we'll try is signing out and then back into your Apple ID account. Still within the Apple ID settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Here you'll find the option to sign out. Go ahead and tap that. You might be prompted to enter your Apple ID password to complete the sign out process, and that's completely normal. Once signed out, you will want to sign back in right away. This essentially refreshes your iCloud session and can often clear up any lingering issues that haven't been resolved yet. With that complete, it's time to move on to the final step, restarting your iPhone. This is another basic yet powerful troubleshooting method. All you need to do is hold down the side button on your iPhone until you see the slider on your screen. Slide it to power off your device. Once it's completely turned off, press and hold the side button again to turn it back on. And there you have it. Following these steps should help you fix the cannot complete action error on your iPhone. By starting with the simpler terms, check, and progressing to refreshing your iCloud session and restarting your device, you've covered the critical bases of quick troubleshooting. I hope this video has been helpful. If this resolved your issue, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.